coming in last. I'm hitting that gas. I'm hitting that, my body. I'm coming in fast. First place, you coming in last. I'm hitting that gas. I'm hitting that, loud, the motion. We causing a commotion. I put it in, I put it in, I put it in motion. I put it in, I put it in, I put it in motion. Loud, the motion. We causing a commotion. Icy as bitch in the whole damn land. I hit the road in an all-white van. I keep a fresh set upon my hands. You don't like me, but you on my gram. How you look, how you look, how you sound? I'm a boss, I'm a brat, how to handle. I'm a real life mood, a real life muse. Got some pretty ass in my sandals. I can't help I was born like this. Ain't my fault that you want my drip. Little bit of bitch could've been my friend. Now you gotta listen while I pop my shit. Fast, I'm coming in fast. First place, you coming in last. I'm hitting that gas. I'm hitting that, my body. I'm coming in fast. First place, you coming in last. I'm hitting that gas. I'm hitting that, loud, the motion. We causing a commotion. I put it in, I put it in, I put it in motion. I put it in, I put it in, I put it in motion. Loud, the motion. We causing a commotion. Rule number one, never be number two. Got the candy apple loops, hit the gas and I zoom. Mad cause I'm rich and I'm young and I'm cute. All eyes on me when I step in the room. You stay with my name in your mouth. Don't show get tired, that's a mouthful. When I wear my jewels and sip my juice, need a couple Cuban links with some big bamboo. I can't help I was born like this. Ain't my fault that you want my drip. Little bit of bitch could've been my friend. Now you gotta watch while I win, win, win. Fast, I'm coming in fast. First place, you coming in last. I'm hitting that gas. I'm hitting that, my body. I'm coming in fast. First place, you coming in last. I'm hitting that gas. I'm hitting that, loud, the motion. We causing a commotion. I put it in, I put it in, I put it in motion. I put it in, I put it in, I put it in motion. Loud, the motion. We causing a commotion. My back is aching, my bra too tight. You mad as hell that I shine so bright. My back is aching, my bra too tight. Jiggling, I know that's right. My back is aching, my bra too tight. You mad as hell that I shine so bright. My back is aching, my bra too tight. Jiggling, I know that's right.
So what'd you think? If you liked it, give us a thumbs up and go check out another workout on this channel. Tons of options and you never know when your next workout will be. If you're not local to Louisville or if you're interested in some on-demand classes, go check out our buildingbadassmamas.com. You can do your workout in your own living room and talking different types of workouts from cardio with hip hop cardio, hip hop tone, booty camp, and tons of strength and resistance training. Get access to this for $9.99 a month. There is no contract. You can sign up and you can cancel at any time. A little over 200 classes are right at your fingertips. All right, guys, go be awesome.